Alrighty, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Stas here. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate you all for tuning in as we're almost at 50,000 subscribers. So listen up. In this one, we're going to break down Sofi, do an update, break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, and cover some insider selling that's going on right now. We got another move from an insider yesterday that we have to cover, guys. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your 30 stocks from Moo. Use that link down below. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, guys. Insane. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So if you guys want 30 free stocks, use that link right down below or go to stasurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So it's currently about 12:30 p.m. on the East Coast, guys, and we have every index kind of moving all over the place. We have some green, we have some red, and SoFi is up 0.75% here, guys, trading at $18.15. And earlier we hit almost $18.50, taking out the highs from yesterday and hitting another multi-year high. And like I said, guys, this is in the midst of a pretty wonky day for the stock market. We have some green, we have some red. For example, the Russell's up 0.3%, the Dow's down 0.1%, the S&P's slightly up. It actually hit an all-time high earlier, but pretty much at break even now. And QQQ is down, 0.1%? Did I miss one? The Russell's really the only one that is nicely in the green, up around 0.3%, 0.4%. But yeah, other than that, guys, we're pretty much flat across the board. The VIX is down a little bit, 3% in the red for the volatility index. Not bad. And SoFi, like I said, man, keeps on moving. We took out the highs from yesterday. The uptrend's obviously continuing here now on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. You guys see that here on the 30-minute chart. And by the way, guys, today is the last day before earnings. Last full day of trading here, guys, which earnings are this Monday in the morning. Yeah, you heard that right. So you better buckle up, guys, and make sure to subscribe here on YouTube because we're going to do another update video on Sunday going over the earnings and pretty much everything that you need to know about SoFi heading into the earnings, right? So make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell. Very important. So this chart right here just shows you how much SoFi has come up in just the last couple of days. Just about, 10 days ago, roughly, it was at $13.40, and now we're at $18.15, up 35% from that point. So just when people thought SoFi was down and out, down for the count, right? You know, it was over with in the short term, which I don't think there were many people that thought that. But there were some people that thought SoFi wasn't going to come back. Man, look how fast it came back. It is insane. You know, just when you thought it was done in the short term, boom, buyers come in. We break out of the moving averages on the 4-hour chart, and we're at a fresh high. Not just on this time frame, not just on the year, but we're at a fresh multi-year high now, guys, which we were yesterday as well, but we just hit another one, which is very exciting here, guys. Very exciting, and I'm not surprised. I mean, we've covered SoFi here throughout this entire last couple of weeks, right? We've covered it. I'm not surprised. We were calling out the dip, and I knew eventually it was going to get bought up. And here we are, man. It got bought up. And, man, a lot of momentum's building up into earnings, which if earnings crush, if guidance is amazing, which we'll see, no guarantees, this could go $20. My bold prediction after earnings, this could go $20 if they crush earnings, crush guidance. I think it could go higher. But you never know, man. The stock's up a lot, pretty much. I don't want to say price to perfection. It might be. I don't know. Depends on who you're talking to. But if they disappoint at all, it could come down. Keep that in mind. It could come down. But as of now, we're looking really good. We're breaking out. Golden cross, the whole 9 yards. So let's see how earnings come. That's all we can do is be patient and wait for earnings and see how they end up coming out. So let me show you guys now some insider selling that's been going on. I'll pull this up, and while I'm doing this, guys, make sure to join the email list. It's free. Put your first name, your email address, using that link in the description box, also pinned in the comments, and every week I send you my top stocks, again, for free. Make sure you guys get in there. It is linked right down below. So we can see here Kelly Koff, I don't know how to say her last name, Kelly Koff, whatever it may be. She sold out on the day before Christmas Eve, not her entire position, but she sold, it looks like here, about 9,000 shares at $15.59. She sold 5% of her position. Let's see, dollar-wise, about $138,000. So she did that about a month ago. Christmas Eve time, right before Christmas, she did that, and then she sold literally the same amount, which goes to show this is part of that pre-planned trading plan. What's it called again? 10b5-1, where insiders can, buy, sell at predetermined prices, right? That's what the 10b5-1 trading rule is. We've covered it before. No need to dive deeper into it here, but she sold another 8,914 shares, the same amount she sold a month ago. She sold another 8,914 shares, roughly 5% of her portfolio, of her position. It was at $17.58. So another sale from Kelly Koff, or Kioff, however you say her name, and that was on a $156,000 move. But I would say it's not that big of a deal, considering it's the same amount of shares as last time she sold. So it's under that trading plan, what we've talked about before. But I figured, hey, why not share it with you guys? This is the freshest, most recent insider sale. The filing date was yesterday, right at 8 p.m. East Coast time. So, yeah, I figured I'd share that. First one of 2025 here for Sofi. And each time I look at their sales here, guys, I look at the Qatar Investment Authority, and I'm like, man, they must be pissed they sold out 20 million shares, $6.78, literally right before the run-up. They must be pissed right now, guys. They have to be. I mean, the stock is pushing $20. They sold at $6.80. If they held till now, I'm not sure what their basis was, their cost basis, but they might be green. I don't know. What do you guys think? But, I figured I'd share that with you guys. Nothing too crazy there, but definitely worth monitoring the insider sales here, especially as we're getting to earnings here on Monday. Literally on Monday. I'm curious to see if anything happens after Monday, what the insiders will do next week, the week after that, if they do anything, right? I'm curious to see how that plays out. But overall, guys, that's pretty much it. Sofi is in a position where the Bulls are dominating right now. And like I said, man, if they crush earnings, if guidance crushes, which is key, the most important thing we have to watch out for is guidance. If that's better than expected, man, get ready for a $20 move for Sofi. Maybe it goes higher. I don't know, man. I think it really could. Over in the short term, it's possible, but definitely over the long term, right? We've established that here. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Do not forget to subscribe here on the main channel. We're almost at 50,000 subs. Man, I need some water, guys. And check out the second channel at Stas Talks Money. Almost at 1,000 subs on that. It is linked down below. Make sure you guys go check it out and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, if you want 30 free stocks and you want to help out the channel, check out the Moomoo link down below or go to StockSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.